before, after.
Okay, let's go to tutorial. First step, you must download the Magic Apps. This application you can download for free, guys. Search name application, Rumini Photo Enchanter. If you have downloaded this application, let's open the application because I had been downloaded before. Now, choose the Enchants button. Next, tap USEIT button for choose the picture you want to enchant. One picture before enchants cause. The picture was really
press
bad
the tick
and
button
not be
for
enchants
enchant.
your picture.
So
By the
wait
way,
the process.
her name is Sehin. She's really pretty girl.
Her
photographer name is Amin. Really good man. And okay,
humble too.
if there is an ad, don't skip it and wait until the ad runs out. Wait for a second, and look the magic of this app. Okay, this the result, before and after enchants. Wow, amazing, look at the detail, very awesome. Now, I'll show you different size, before and after enchants. This image before enchants. Size 255 kilobyte and resolution 1080-1350
Next, this
pixels. Image after enchants. Size 713 kilobyte and resolution 2160-2700 pixels. This my result. Is this good? Follow my Instagram. There are many of my works that might inspire you. And make sure to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends this video. See you later, guys. Bye bye.